The 2014 Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, outside temperature gauge, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, panic alarm, rear side airbags, compass, front reading lamps. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.